Okay, let's start. Let's look at this topic, inequalities. Inequalities. What is inequality? Here we have an inequality is a relation which makes a non-equal comparison between two numbers or other mathematical expressions. So in inequality, we'll be having a kind of non-equal comparison between two numbers or two factors or two variables. I'll be using the sign, these signs, the greater than sign, the less than sign, the greater than or equal to sign, and the less than or equal to sign. These are the signs I'll be using in dealing or solving problems that have to do with inequality. Now, the number that is greater will always have the sign open facing that number. For example, if x is supposed to be greater than 4, I will have the sign open facing x. So it is x greater than 4. If x is supposed to be less than 4, I will have the sign closed facing 4. So this is x is less than 4. That's how we read inequalities. So to read your inequalities, you must understand where the sign is open facing or where the sign is closed facing. And usually we read our inequalities from the variable given to us to the side of the number. So if I have this, y, 3. So this is read as y is greater than or equal to 3. Y is greater than or equal to 3. If you have this is also read as x is less than or equal to minus 2. X is less than or equal to minus 2. This is x is greater than 4. This is x is less than 4. This is y is greater than or equal to 3. X is less than or equal to minus 2. So you can see that we have compared two variables here, the x and the 4, the y and the 3, the x and the minus 2. So an inequality, I said, is a relation which makes a non-equal comparison between two numbers or two factors or other mathematical expressions. So we've seen that already here. As we have it here. So you can now read your inequalities. As much given to you, you should be able to read out the inequality. So in our next other class, we'll be looking at exclusive inequality. So get ready for that class. Thank you.